Interactive software development engineering in video games. The interactive software development engineering in video games aims to train professionals with solid knowledge for the development of the interactive software application on different platforms. By studying this engineering, you will have the ability to produce audiovisual content, talk the language of video games, programming in audiovisual communication to implement projects of design and production of the interactive digital content that can be applied in the fields of entertainment industry, health, information, communication, and education. Work areas: video game programmer, programmer of apps, web and software in general, graphic programmer, specialist in development tools, technical artist, software architect, developer of virtual reality, project manager, game and level designer, quality controller, experience in user interface designer, and media producer. What to do in the career: teamwork, be punctual in constant, care for and protect work equipment, keep the order, express yourself, talk polite language, complete the assigned task. What not to do in the career: ingest any type of food or drink, littering, getting along poorly with peers, damaging work equipment. Process to do a task. The first one is the planning. Before you start, you need to plan. Analysis. You have to figure out what exactly the software has to do. Therefore, the analysis stage in the software life cycle corresponds to the process through which we try to discover what is really needed. Design. In this phase, possible implementation options for the software to be built are studied, as well as deciding on its general structure. Implementing. In this phase, you have to choose the right tools, a development environment that facilitates that work. Test. The testing phase of the software life cycle seeks to detect the mistakes made in the previous stage in order to correct them. Installation. The next phase is put the software into the operation, so you have to plan the environment taking into account the existing dependencies. And finally, use. Characteristic to work in your field: responsibility with the projects, ability to design and produce intelligent software, ability to understand software requirements, domain of programming language, management of tools to manage requirements in development environments, knowledge in software architecture. Conclusion. The career seems quite interesting because of the amount of things that are seen toward it, and I like the fact that you can work in different places, as well as how to develop in different work areas that are very different from each other. In conclusion, the career is quite complete with a large number of work areas.